Have you ever looked up at a plane soaring through the sky and wondered how we, as humans, conquered the air? It's a story that goes back centuries, fueled by a dream that seemed impossible, the dream of flight. For ages, people watched birds, envying their freedom, their ability to dance with the wind. Legends were born from this desire, like the story of Icarus, a cautionary tale, but also a testament to our relentless ambition to reach for the heavens. This wasn't just a dream for poets and storytellers. Brilliant minds like Leonardo da Vinci sketched intricate flying machines in the 5th–10th century, studying bird anatomy to unlock the secrets of flight. His designs, like the ornithopter, were far ahead of their time, but they planted a crucial seed, the idea that flight could be understood through science and engineering, not just myth. As centuries passed, the seed began to sprout. In the late 18th century, the Montgolfier brothers in France took a huge leap, not with wings, but with hot air. They realized that heated air is lighter than cool air, and used this principle to create the first hot air balloon. In 1783, they sent a sheep, a duck, and a rooster on the first ever aerial voyage, and soon after, humans followed, floating peacefully above the ground. This was a monumental achievement, proving that leaving the Earth was possible. But balloons had a problem. You couldn't steer them. You were at the mercy of the wind. The dream of controlled, powered flight remained elusive. The 19th century became a hotbed of experimentation. Pioneers like George Cayley, often called the father of aviation, were the first to truly understand the forces at play: lift, drag, thrust, and weight. He moved away from the idea of flapping wings and developed the concept of a fixed-wing aircraft with separate systems for propulsion and control. He built and flew the first successful gliders, proving his theories worked. Others followed, building and testing their own gliders, each attempt bringing humanity a little closer to the ultimate goal. The air was filled with a sense of anticipation. Everyone knew a breakthrough was just around the corner. And then, two brothers from Dayton, Ohio, entered the scene. Orville and Wilbur Wright were not wealthy aristocrats or famous scientists. They were bicycle mechanics. But they possessed an unmatched combination of curiosity, mechanical genius, and sheer determination. They didn't just build. They experimented. They built their own wind tunnel to test different wing shapes, meticulously recording data and refining their designs. They understood that control was the key. They developed a revolutionary system called wing warping, which allowed the pilot to twist the wings to balance the aircraft, just like a bird adjusts its feathers. After years of relentless work, they were ready. They traveled to the windswept dunes of Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. On a cold, blustery morning, December 17, 1903, history was made. With Orville at the controls, their machine, the Wright Flyer, lifted off the ground under its own power. The first flight lasted only 12 seconds and covered just 120 feet shorter than the wingspan of a modern jumbo jet. But in those 12 seconds, the world changed forever. They had achieved what no one else could: powered, sustained, and controlled flight. The news didn't spread like wildfire, surprisingly. Many were skeptical. But the Wright brothers kept refining their machine, and soon the world had to take notice. Aviation exploded. Just a decade later, the skies became a new frontier in World War I, with biplanes engaging in dogfights, transforming warfare. After the war, these new aviators became barnstormers and mail carriers, pushing the limits of endurance and speed. The 1920s and 30s became the golden age of aviation. Commercial airlines emerged, promising glamorous high-speed travel. Flying went from a daredevil stunt to a viable mode of transportation. The pace of innovation was breathtaking. Metal replaced wood and fabric. Jet engines, developed during World War II, revolutionized air travel, allowing planes to fly faster and higher than ever before. The sound barrier was broken. In the 1960s, passenger jets like the Boeing 747 made international travel accessible to the masses, shrinking our world and connecting cultures in ways previously unimaginable. From a 12-second hop on a North Carolina beach to jets that can circle the globe in hours, the story of the airplane is a powerful reminder of human ingenuity. It's a story of dreamers, thinkers, and tinkerers who refused to believe that the sky was the limit. So the next time you see a plane overhead, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. It's a journey of curiosity and perseverance that continues to this day. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories of human innovation.